Stop with your feet on the air, your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it, yeah. Your head will collapse, but there's nothing in it, and you'll ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Way out in the water, see it swimming. I was swimming in the Caribbean. Animals were hiding behind the rocks, except for a fish gulping to me, swear he's trying to talk to me, say, wait, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? He's trying to talk to me, say, wait, out in the water, see it swimming. Where is my mind? Where is my with your feet on the air, your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it, yeah. Your head will collapse, but there's nothing in it, and you'll ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my